3 things you need to know before you claim emotional distress in an employment case. For one, your medical history will likely become relevant. All of your psychiatric and therapy records throughout the years. The employer is entitled to see those records because they get to look at them and say, well, actually, their emotional distress was caused by their childhood trauma and not by a wrongful termination. If you are not comfortable with your former employer seeing your medical records, do not file a lawsuit. Number 2, social media can and probably will contradict you if you're active on social media. If you claim you can't leave your house, or you're super depressed, or you can't sleep at night, but social media shows you out on a beach or at a party, guess what? The defense will find that and they will use that against you. If you don't want your social media stripped and used against you, don't file a lawsuit. Number 3, documentation matters. It is almost impossible to prove emotional distress without documented records. That means you need to go to a therapist during your employment and after the employment ends if you're making a claim of emotional distress. You need to talk to the therapist about how the employment situation, whether it's harassment, discrimination, or retaliation, is affecting your everyday life. All of that will need to be produced to the other side in the course and scope of the lawsuit to prove up that you were actually emotionally distressed by the employer's wrongful and illegal actions. Without this, you will not be able to prove your emotional distress damages. They will be worth 0. Being wrongfully fired doesn't automatically mean you're entitled to a huge settlement. A lot of times people are clearly wrongfully fired, but if they get a job right away so they don't have economic damages and they refuse to get therapy so they don't have non-economic damages, there's really not a lot we can do. So make sure you understand what goes into your damages assessment before you bring your claims. Know your rights and protect yourself at all times.